Hello friends, in this video, in previous video we have seen that the static properties in three or four video lecture we have seen that the out of seventh static characteristics, and in previous lecture we have seen that the eight, that is a resolution, that is meant by the threshold, that is a stability, what is the tolerance, then main will be the what is the range of the span and the error. Okay, this topic will be seen in a previous lecture. Then what is the error? Error is the difference between the measured value and the true value. Okay, these are the errors. There are the two types of the error, that is a bias error, and second will be the precaution or random precision or random error. Okay, then next property will be the 14th property will be the hysteresis. 14th property will be the hysteresis. 14th property will be the hysteresis. Then meaning of this hysteresis is a hysteresis, that is these errors are typically because of a friction or the electrical capacitance. Means these errors will be the these errors are typically because of the friction and the electrical capacitance. This will cause a lower precision, means the measurement system will not give the same value dependent relative on its measure and cause increase or decrease. The hysteresis error is considered as a systematic error. Okay, what is meant by the hysteresis error? आता so these error are typically because of friction or electrical capacitance. What is the hysteresis? Hysteresis, the error are typically because of the friction or the electrical capacitance. It is a mean that it is a cause the low precision, means the measurement system will not give the same value dependent, and this hysteresis is considered as a systematic errors. This hysteresis considered as systematic error. Is the hysteresis, the errors are typically because of the frictional or electrical capacitance. The hysteresis considered as a systematic error. Suppose this is the value of the measurement, so the some value will be changes and the different value will be considered. That is the in x-axis, that is the value of measure, and y-axis is the reading. In which this curve will be found as this curve, that is a suppose this is the curve will be obtained in which this lower side is called as the measuring increase. Lower side is called as the measuring increasing. Okay, and then upper side is called as the measurand decreasing. Okay, then it is a systematic error. Suppose this point will be measured as the sum value, then this graph will be obtained as the measuring increasing, and then after that there will be the decreasing, that is a measurand will be decreases. These types of the error is called as the hysteresis error. Okay, these are 14 types of the static characteristics, in which we have seen that the one by one. First we will see that in this static properties we see that the first will we see that that is the static characteristics, in which the first we see that the first is the accuracy Okay, and then second will be the precision, in precision. Then third will be the sensitivity, third will be the sensitivity. Fourth will be the linearity, fourth will be the linearity. Fifth will be the reproducibility, fifth will be the reproducibility. Okay, then sixth will be the repeatability, sixth will be the repeatability, sixth will be the repeatability. Then seventh will be the drift, then eighth will be the resolution. Then ninth will be the threshold, and tenth will be the threshold. Then tenth will be the stability. 11th will be the tolerance. Then 12th will be the range. 13 will be the error, and 14 will be the hysteresis. This 14 will be the hysteresis. This is the systematic errors. Okay, then these types will have seen that the static characteristics. Okay, and then in which we have seen that the hysterics, or then the types of error, in which the errors will be major difference between the measure value and the true input value. There are the two types, that is a bias error, precision or random error. Okay, in which what is the meaning by of the bias error? Okay, bias error is the calibration error. Calibration error is nothing but the null or the point error. Means bias error means the calibration error, that is the calibration error, that is a null point, that is called as the null point. Okay, this error is known as the bias error. Okay, this is a common type of bias error created by the non-zero output value when the input is 0. When we given that the input will be 0, then output will be the also non-zero. Means when the input will be not given, so that the output will be, after that the output will be the created. This error called as the bias error. Normally we see that when the input will be the given to the any system, and then the output will be the obtained. Means output is totally dependent upon the input. But in bias error, when the input is not given, at that time the output will be also created. Means output will be the obtained. This error is called as a bias error. That is a loading error, adding the sensor measure system changes the system. Error due to the sensor sensitivity to variables other than the desired, that is a temperature effect on the strain gauge. That is a temperature effect on the strain gauge, that is a bias error. Then next will be the precision or the random error. If the instrument does not give the same value or time, is called as a precision error. If we measure any error, but after some times this value will be not matched in the first value, so that this reading will be taken as again and again, so that the precision or a random error will be produced. Means in which the first reading will be not same as the other reading. Okay, these types of the error. Means if the value often does not have to the close to the value, does not have to the any close up to the value. These are the static characteristics. Okay, then what is the range of the span? The range of the span is the nothing but the minimum and the maximum value of the measures for which an instrument is considered is a range or the span, is called as the range of the span. Okay, then hysteresis. Hysteresis is the x-axis the value of measure then if after sometimes we have get the value of measure and the reading reading taken as a y-axis. Okay, when at this point we taken as the any reading, then the value of measuring, then this value of the instrument will be increases. After that then will be the decreases. This difference is called as the disturbance. Okay, thank you.